Welcome to today's webinar, iNELS, an introduction to building automation system. My name is Jeevak Matthew Varghese and I am the technical support at Elko EP. Today's webinar will be run for about 45 minutes with 35 minutes of presentation and 10 minutes for questions at the end. So please submit your questions using the chat feature as they come to your mind. But please know I will be waiting to answer all the questions until the end of this webinar. This webinar is being recorded, so if you want to go early, you will have this in your inbox. This webinar is about iNELS and introduction to building automation system. The webinar is focused mainly to beginners to know about our company, our position in automation industry. The webinar will also cover the product portfolio, our product application in various industries. You will also get an idea about iNELS wireless and wired topology. At the end of this webinar, as I mentioned before, I will answer the questions, or you can ask questions. We are planning a series of webinar focusing all product categories of wired solution and wireless solution, each product by product. So stay tuned for upcoming webinars. You can also comment on the topics you required for upcoming sections in the chat box so that we can consider it in future webinar list. Introduction. Elko EP. We are a traditional, innovative, and Czech manufacturer of electronic devices, and we have been in the field of electro installation for about 23 years. Our headquarters and factory is located in Holšov, Czech Republic. Due to the many years of experience, we are able to say that we have become specialists in the field of modular electronic devices, especially relays, which we produce more than 200 types. Also in smart building automation, which we have many products for almost all applications. iNELS is a division of Elko EP, which primarily focus on developing and manufacturing systems for building automation products. The name iNELS means Intelligent Electro Installation System. So as you can see here, this is the aerial view of our factory. We have administrative building here where all administrative decisions are taking place. We have our own production unit with modern tools and devices, our own research development center. All these allow us to head towards the development of the most advanced technology in modern building automation system. Here you can see our testing lab, which we use advanced technology for testing not only our own products, but we do testing for other products. And our testing lab is certified so that these test results are valid for almost all countries in the world. We also have a training center which we do regular training for our customers, which we have a facility to accommodate if you want to stay for these webinars. On-site webinars will be for 3 days, so there is a facility for accommodation as well in the training center. And here you see the final dispatch area. In the year 1993, Mr. Iri Konechny started business in this field of modular electric in his garage. The first product was switching power unit for electrical heating. After 4 years, 1997, the company Elko EP Limited was found. The company became the practical dominant for producer of modular devices. During this time, the company moved to another office building. At 2002, company started to export the products outside Czech Republic. First branch was started, Elko EP in Slovakia. 2005, Elko EP moved to new office in Holšov, new product lines, new branch offices, Elko EP Poland, Elko EP Hungary. 2006, we introduced intelligent electro installation iNELS bus to the market. 2007, we established new branches. We expanded the research and development centers in New Hall, and we obtained UL certificate for USA. 2000, 2008, intelligent electro installation iNELS RF was launched to the market. 2009, we started new branches, Elko EP Ukraine, and we collaborate with the logos for the luxurious switches and sockets. 2010, iNELS Multimedia launched to the market, and we got Golden Ampere Award for RF Touch, and new warehouses started. 2012, the company got award Company of the Year of the award in the Ceylon region, and company hold the second position in the Czech Republic. 2014, we got award for Lara, and we introduced Smart RF box. 2016, our test lab was opened, and we got award for iNELS Future Office. 2017, we introduced the product iNELS IoT, iNELS Air, and the Smart City concept was launched. Established new branch offices, Elko EP Baltic, and integration of iNELS BMs with Niagara. We launched Smart Pole and Smart Pole, which is the basic pillar of Smart City, to the market in 2019. And 2020, we manufactured the world smallest central unit mini CU. And 2021, we introduced RF key fob 6-button and RF glass buttons. And now in the year of 2022, new product innovation, RF touch thermo valves, and we also introduce IP Master, our brain of mini CU, with new topology in the smart building market. So from this milestone, it is very clear that we are a company with continuous growth, and we are up to date with the upcoming technology in the smart automation field. Here are some facts and figures. In these figures, you can see that we Elko EP employs around 330 employees in the Elko EP holdings, and we have almost 2,000 iNELS installation all over the world. And until now, we have manufactured 20 million products all over the world. So we are also exporting to 70 countries, and we have 10 branches and 6 franchises all over the world. So here from the figure, you can see that we are a company with the annual turnover of 20 million euro, and 30% of this is attained through the Czech market, and mainly through the export and through the branches as well. So here you see that we are developers, we are producers, we are supporter, and we are sellers. In the R&D center, we have more than 30 engineers develop new products and extend the functionality of existing products. And in terms of producers, we use modern, fully automated SMD production with 2 shift of operation to meet all our demands of our customers. And we have technical support team which is available 24 hour, and we also support logistic operation as well. And we have dedicated sales personnel to all exporting countries, providing excellent service, and we deliver superior product at affordable price. So what makes us unique? Of course, our automation technology and the quality of product and efficiency make us unique in this market. Since the beginning, we have been significant innovator in the field of development and production of electronic devices and solution for home, office, and industrial automation. We do a lot of improvement every year. We listen to our customer in each phase of development. So unlike many of our competitor, we maintain our production and development facilities under one roof. So of course, this will increase the efficiency. Today, we produce tens of millions of products every year to meet the demands of leading companies or directly to the customers. And here you can see all products are made in Czech Republic. In our testing laboratory, we use very modern equipment. Our lab is certified and accredited to ISO, IEC 17025 2018. Apart from performing development tests, as I mentioned before, we do tests for other product, including also our own product and other products as well. Our lab do electromagnetic compatibility test, electrical safety test, durable test, and specific functional test. All testers are as per IEC and AN standards. Also, in the beginning, as I mentioned, in addition to that, we have entered to sub-licensing agreement with CIA for use of ILAC mark. So we have internationally recognized test results. So with our test result, it should be accepted all over the world. So we also provide manufacturing support. Our technical support persons are always available for all your technical needs, and we provide a warranty, 5-year warranty for all our products. That means you can make sure that our products are strong in the market. Our products are designed to withstand the harsh temperature conditions from high degree temperature to zero for low degree temperature, and the high degree temperature, which is mainly for this Middle East region. And here you can see the proof of quality of our product. We are ISO certified, CE, FCC, UL listed. We have been awarded many times for the precision of our production, innovative approach, and development. So that's why we got, as I mentioned in the milestone, we got many awards for our business results and for our products. Our modern production lines includes 2 fully automated SMD production lines with multi-shift operation. We use PLC high-end cutting and robot in our production process. We use laser printer, AOI optical tester to check the PCB for power quality and accuracy of components. It has very high performance, which make our production very fast. And we also have the modular tester to test one module products. So this is just the basic introduction, and now I am moving forward to the products groups. So here you see our products group: timer relays, we have auxiliary relays, conductors, staircase switches, time switches, light switches. In this segment, we have protection monitoring relays, iNELS IoT devices for smart cities, wireless installation iNELS RF for existing buildings, which is easy and quickly used in existing buildings. iNELS bus for larger installation, villas, hotels, energy management, hotel retrofit for a complete solution designed primarily for existing hotel rooms and is based on iNELS RF system, and GRMS for uh, comprehensive solution for primarily new hotels or luxurious hotel. Building management BMS system, which is the superior of all iNELS bus system, which can control and monitor, and lighting control system, multimedia, and switch and sockets. So in the next section, or in general, if we subdivided this product group, it is like iNELS uh, uh, Elko timers, and then iNELS RF and iNELS bus. So these products will come inside these main categories. So in this webinar, I will be focusing mainly on iNELS RF and iNELS bus system and its application. So in the later slides, you can see that. In the future webinars, my colleague will take other webinar on timers, which you can know more about the timers and protection relays. So in the next slides, I will show the application of our product group in various industries. Our relay offer a fully fledged industrial automation solution. Our protection and monitoring relays used for monitoring machines and equipment in production. They have the capability to measure values with an accuracy up to 2%. All relays are designed to withstand the demanding operating conditions in industry and can be used in a variety of territories. So almost all our timers and relays can be used to automate the modern industries. So the main advantage of our system, of our products, are here you can see, from a single component to a smart building. So depends on the client and the application, you can choose the product. So uh, our products are designed to work as point to point. So it use no major technical person. End users can do the installation like sockets which do the automation functions, and we also provide kits which is pre-programmed. So uh, normally end users or normal electricians can do, or hobbymen can do these wirings or do the settings. Or if you want to use a connected homes, we have a complete solution to run into a smart home. So iNELS RF do the offer you the solution, and here also you don't need any uh, expert programmers. You can do it with normal electrician, and the pairing and the programming process is very simple. And so to a smart building, yes, of course, we use iNELS a bus system, or you can combine iNELS bus and wireless system together. So there you need a system indicator. So from here, it is you can see that if depends on your application. So from a single point to a smart building, we have a wide variety of products. If you have existing apartments and houses where there is electrical installation already exists, or the demolition is not possible, no need to worry, we have our iNELS wireless version. So the main advantage of our iNELS wireless system in this existing building is that you don't need to automate with extensive or concession modification. no need to install or rearrange cabling, no need of structural modification, and you will get savings, comfort, and safety. You will also keep up with new trend with our uh, uh, new products which give you more functions and comfort. And all these units are units can be controlled through application and voice assistant. For larger houses and villas, we recommend the iNELS bus system. The main advantage of our system is our IP bus topology and IoT concept, which I will cover in the later slide. So this will brings you a lot of extra comfort, and our system is modular and flexible, and our system has a wide possibilities of functions, the option of integration, third-party devices, video cameras, intercom, and also in the bus system, you have a wide possibility to control heating and air conditioning in the building. Also, you can control heat pumps like other appliances, solar system, photovoltaic system, and energy management and other. Also in a bus system, also since we are using the IP bus topology and IoT concept, you can control everything in the mobile application. Our iNELS application is available in Google Play Store and App Store, and all these can be controlled through voice assistant also. Hotel retrofits. Wireless hotel room solution designed for existing hotels where the wiring is already installed. With wireless communication, with devices, sensors, and actuator, you can upgrade your existing hotel or existing electrical system to next level in very short period of time. So our advantage of this hotel retrofit is uh, you can finish the product in very short period of time. So all the communications through the wireless signals, and I will explain the advantage of uh, wireless system in the later slide. So you will get luxurious controllers, which is ideal for the hotel rooms. And we have a wide range of wireless sensors used for many applications. And this is very modular and flexible, and as I mentioned before, it is very easy to install and no need of any programmers, and you can save energy uh, up to half percent. Guest room management system offers best comfort to the guest. Our guest room management enables access control of room, control of lighting, air conditioning, do not disturb, a master on off for energy saving, and and there is a possibility of scalability. You can scale with our new topology. You can add more rooms with very easy steps without any robotic wiring or anything. And we have very compact room control units, which is very essential for hotel rooms where the spaces are very limited. And we have very luxurious touch panels, which is best suits for the hotel luxurious hotel rooms. And another our advantage is we do as a standard service, we offer customization in these wall controllers. We do engraving of symbols, which is by laser, in both plastic and glass controllers, and all these are based on customer specification. And there is a wide range of temperature control. We have uh, fan coil units, and we have uh, controllers. Also, there is a there is unlimited possibilities of third-party integration like hotel door locks, uh, like also you will get voice recognition, also energy savings, like wireless using these sensors. We use virtual card technology using our sensors and the room control unit with creating logic. So our GRMS system is best suits for luxurious hotels. Building management system is a superior above all the INELS bus and RF, where you can control and monitor several central units or gateways. And our BMS connects to all the protocols uh, in the building, like Modbus, BACnet, and KNX. We use Flowbox for integration. We also have the integration to Home Assistant, which will be available soon. So here you can see you can we with our devices and with our products, you can control almost everything in a in a building. So we offer a complete solution for the modern building automation system. Apart from this, we also uh, we are also in OEM partnership with world leading players. We deliver, we produce relays and other devices for these major players. Here you can see the major brands we are dealing with. So with or without wiring. So here you will see the advantages of the wireless system and bus system, or where to which protocol to go with. Each of the variant has its own advantages. In the RF system, do not require any construction modification. In the bus system, offer more options, like more functions, and it is perfect for new building and larger projects, hotel or commercial building. The communication between the components is wireless in the RF, and it is in the range of 866 to 922 megahertz. And this RF is very quick and easy solution. As I mentioned before, in the application, that you don't need any structural modification, or you don't need programmer to do this programming or this pairing of iNELS wireless system. So iNELS bus system is for new building and larger projects, and as I mentioned, you have a higher functional possibilities, and the scalability is also very easy. You can scale the project depends on your requirement, and you can control other third-party devices, like I mentioned, VMS and other things. So now I will go more technical into the RF system, and in the future webinars, I will be going more deep into these protocols. Now, in this webinar, I will just uh, explain a basic of our wireless system and bus system. So in the RF system, the communication between the components is wireless at 866 to 922 megahertz, depends on the country. And we have dedicated frequencies for individual territories. For Europe and Middle East, it is 868.5 megahertz. And for Australia, 916 megahertz. For India, it is 865 megahertz. And our signal range is up to 200 meter in free space. So also with the new RFIO2 protocol, our products or our actuators do the repeating function. So you will get more than 200 meter with this repeating functionality of our new protocol. I will explain it in later. Communication is low energy and reliably transfers small data packets, which means the transmission power is 24 uh, uh, microwatt. The way of communication is mesh duplex. We use unique RFIO and RFIO2 protocols. Both are our proprietary wireless protocols from Elko EP. RFIO2 is an extension of the RFIO protocol and allows user to use newly introduced features such as signal repeating, as I mentioned before. This protocol is fully compatible with the previous version of the protocol, RFIO. So the main benefits of our RF system is you don't need any fees or license, or no overlapping of communication space with unaddressed commands. The frequency you use do not interfere with the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth devices. Programming is not conditional to do it in PC or system. It is very easy programmable. Each unit acts as a repeater, and the data transfer between these wireless communication take place in such a way that other receiver within the range can help transfer the information to the remote receiver. So that is how it is. There is a possibility to cover large scale objects and to increase reliability of the transmission in more demanding buildings. So with the RFIO2 protocol, you can use the wider or you can use the transmission range bigger, and also backward compatibility with the RFIO element is retained in the RFIO2 protocol. For components, you can easily upgrade the firmware using our USB serial devices. Here you see our wide range of product portfolio in RF system. I am not going much deeper into this. In the later webinar, we will explain these products one by one. So we have controllers, we have flat shaped plastic glass, round key fob, switching actuators, shutter actuators, dimmers, almost for all type of dimming loads, temperature control, thermo valves, input converters, binary to analog, analog to binary, detectors, level switches, flood detectors, and the system units. That means the gateways, which connect you to the application and which can give more functionalities. Hotel room energy saving kits. So here you can see, as I mentioned in the previous slide, you can use it as a point-to-point function. So here you can directly pair our controllers to the switching actuator. We have multifunction actuators, we have single function actuators. So the functions are mainly like dimming, time delay, delay on, delay off, and all these functions will be covered in the next webinar. So the direct pairing is also direct pairing of actuator and controllers are possible, and sensors to actuators are possible, and you can connect up to 25 controllers or sensors to one actuator to one channel. So if you want to use this RF solution as a controlled home, here you can see a small example where we use the smart gateway, which is connected to all controllers and actuators, sensors, and through this through connecting to the internet, you will get to connect it to third-party intercom, cameras, and these uh, all units can be controlled through iNELS mobile application, which is available in the Google Play Store and App Store. And you can create more logics in our iNELS cloud, and you can control all these units through Amazon Alexa and Google Home. And we also have these energy monitoring devices, which is in current situation very necessary. We have water meter, pulse meter for energy monitoring, gas meters, weather station. So now we go to the iNELS bus topology. So our bus topology use unique solution for electric installation in new projects, house, villas, and larger buildings, hotel, etc. As I mentioned, the third-party integration is possible. Cloud connection is there, and you can use all the bus units, or you can control it in the mobile application tab, etc. Our bus system uses this free topology, and you can connect up to 32 units in a single bus line, and the maximum bus length is 500 meter, and this bus is a polarity based bus. So here you can see how what type of connections you can connect it through ring, it through star topology. You can do it in the straight line topology. The ring or closed uh, topology is not possible. It will affect the functionality. And we also use EBM bus, which is topology, which means meets the RS-485. And here also there is closed circle or other star or any other topology is not permitted. Only a straight line is possible. You can connect 20 units in the EBM bus, and in the last connected unit should be terminated with 120 ohm resistor, and the maximum length possible is 550 meter. And also this is also a polarity based bus, and you can use UTP cable for the installation. And in the bus we use a twisted pair shielded, which is more or less diameter, which should be a minimum diameter of 8.8 mm. Here there is an overview of all our iNELS bus devices, and as I mentioned before, we will cover all these products and segments one by one in the future webinars. So here you see the central units, power supply, actuators, dimmers, lighting controls, sensors, fan coil units, room control units, input modules, converters, glass buttons. We have glass buttons, plastic buttons, and customized buttons for hotel rooms, thermostats, touch panels, and IR transmitter to control IR devices, connection server for third-party integration, thermo valves, and the thermo sensors. So here I will explain how here you can see the topology, how it is connected. So as I mentioned before, you can connect 32 devices to one bus, and we have central unit which has two bus and one bus. CU301 is with one bus, and CU302 is with two bus. Both the big CUs are with two bus, and CU302 with the RF. And we have the mini central unit, which can also be connected to 32 devices in a single bus line. CU has a functionality even in the event of loss of communication with other units. All units connected to the mini CU will remain working. So that means the system is autonomous bus. And adding more and more mini CU, you can scale the system. And in the CU301 and 02, you can use MI3 to add more buses. So that means our system is more scalable. So here you see, you can see the centrally controlled installation, which allow interconnection of all devices. So we are launching this IP master, which is the central unit, high performance command control to control the iNELS IP subordinate units like mini CU and the ELAN gateways for R. So IP master is designed for a fully autonomous control for very large projects. Using IP protocol, the unit communicates with the centralized iNELS cloud environment also. So here you can see that one central unit is required for even very large installation, like there is no limit to connect the mini central units. There is no limitation since we use IP topology. The IP master connect to mini CU using IP protocol, which is commonly used Ethernet speed of 100 Mbps. In the new IP infrastructure connects the central units to the central iNELS cloud, which allows to connect individual projects into a functional units used to combine multiple large-scale projects into a centrally controlled projects. So that is also a main application of this IP topology. Also, there is advantage of integration openness. Since we are using the IP topology, it is very easy to integrate with other protocols used in the BMS system. The IP protocol also allows for easy mobile iNELS mobile application to control all devices included in the project. So these are the main advantages of our IP topology. So here I hope you get a basic idea of our IP topology, our bus system, our RF system. In the future webinars, we will go more deep into each topic and its advantages, specifications. I hope we are almost. It is almost 45 minutes now. So if you have any questions, you can ask now. Well, thank you everyone for attending today's webinar. I appreciate you taking an hour out of your day with us here at Elko EP. So if you would like to join us again for the future webinar, visit our website elkoep.com, trainings and webinars. So you can